Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we finally have our weekly security updates that have arrived in Microsoft Edge. And the update was pushed out late yesterday in my region on the 12th of December. And Microsoft Edge always seems to be the last in the queue to receive the Chromium security patches. Now, as always, we head to our main menu to double check we have the update, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And the browser version and build after the update has been applied is sitting on version 131.0.2903.99. And that's been bumped up from 0.86. Now, first of all, once again, Microsoft has taken this opportunity to fix various bugs and performance issues. Now other information is given, and those bug fixes roll out almost on a weekly basis. And then we get the Chromium security fixes that have rolled out. We don't get any Edge-specific browser security updates this week. We just get for the open source Chromium platform, which the browser is based on. And those include 3 security fixes. They are all high severity, which is your level just below critical. And thankfully, there are no critical and there are no 0 days in the wild. And the security flaws that have been patched are type confusion in the V8 JavaScript engine and use after free in Translate. And type confusion and use after free, as you may well know, are very common exploits in Chromium-based web browsers. And over and above that, I have had a quick look around the browser like I like to do after any update. But at this stage, I'm not noticing any new tweaks or adjustments. Over and above the 3 security fixes that have rolled out and those bug fixes and those performance issue fixes that have been made available with this latest point release update. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.